Hello, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to send a notification to the desktop using Python. So let's start. I'm gonna make a new project here. The name of this project will be send notification. So it will create automatically a file in this window. Yeah, by default code is here. Just remove this code. First of all, you need to import Win10 toast library. So let me check first of all, is it installed on my computer or not. So I'm just gonna write that one library import um, toast file. So I'm gonna run this one, so to confirm that is it installed automatically or not. So yeah, I think I should go to check the make sure the spelling. Oh, I'm going to make it. Yep, this time I'm gonna run it again. So it says that no module name Win10. So I have to install this module name. So by using command, you can say that pip install Win10 toast. So I'm just gonna copy this one from here and paste it on my. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. Anaconda environment. I'm gonna paste it on my Anaconda environment. So maybe there may be a maybe we will face some error here. Actually, uh, according to my experiment and my knowledge, there are two. I don't know. Uh, First of all, where PyCharm will for where is the PyCharm virtual environment. So it will pick these file from there. It will access the requirement from Anaconda files or maybe from other. I think it says that it's already installed. So I think the PyCharm is not going to take the environment, take the settings from this file. So I have to install this one on my uh, runtime cmd command. So I'm gonna install it on my cmd command and will make sure this time so it will pick. So requirement is already satisfied here also. Yeah, it's going to install. So we have to wait for a couple of minutes here. Yep, I have also tried here, but unfortunately it's not working with it's not accessing the import libraries from Anaconda, also command prompt. So we should find another way. So I'm gonna open this one terminal here for PyCharm. So going to run the file here. So I'm just pasting it here. So make sure I hope this time it will work, because actually this time yep, already satisfied. So requirement already satisfied. So this time, yeah, now it's working. So after that, we have after importing this library, we need to go further to make a toast to is equal to I'm gonna call this function and assign a value here. You can, this is initialization to make sure the spellings are correct. So after that I'm gonna call this one function toaster dot show toast. So passing some argument here. First of all, I'm just pass here notification at the top. Notification, make sure the spellings are correct. Notification. So after that I'm gonna write here something artificial intelligence hub threaded is equal to true ionic path. It's depend on me. I'm gonna add ionic path or not. Now this time I'm gonna leave it blank and duration is 10 seconds. So I'm just put the duration is equal to 10 seconds. So this will show up to the 10 second. And let me import also. I'm just gonna stop the screen for a while. Let me import time here, and while loop toaster. Where is the toaster dot notification active, how long the notification will active. So time dot sleep for 0.3 seconds. So I'm gonna run this one cell and let me show that is it showing a notification or not. We're gonna wait here. You can see here, yeah, this is the notification artificial intelligence hub. So I'm running it again. So let me confirm how long it will take here. Yeah, this is the notification, this is the icon here. So this is the code for running a notification on your Windows operating system using a Python and a library called Windows 10 Toast. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like.